Stop scrolling. The AI world just shifted again. Today is Thursday, March 19th, 2026, and we are witnessing a massive consolidation of power. OpenAI just made a massive move. They just declared war on every other coding assistant out there. But that's not all. Meta is spending billions while cutting thousands of jobs, and a Hollywood legend is officially back. A legend is back from the dead, thanks to generative AI. I'm your host, and here's the news. This is everything you need to know to stay ahead in the age of intelligence. First up, the big one. OpenAI has officially acquired Astral, the team behind Python tools like UV. This isn't just a small tech buy, it's a strategic takeover of the developer ecosystem. By folding Astral into Codex, OpenAI is moving beyond just writing code to managing everything. They want to be the only destination for the 2 million engineers using Codex weekly. With Anthropic's Claude Code gaining ground, Sam Altman is betting on speed and integration. If you're a developer, the tools you use every day just became part of the OpenAI empire. Now let's talk about Meta. Mark Zuckerberg is doubling down with a $27 billion gamble. Meta is pouring $27 billion into AI infrastructure through a massive deal with Nabius. But here's the kicker. They are simultaneously preparing to lay off 16,000 employees. It is a clear, cold message. Meta is swapping human payroll for GPU clusters. They are also shutting down the VR version of Horizon Worlds by June, pivoting to labs. The metaverse isn't dead, but it's taking a backseat to the AI arms race. In a story that feels like science fiction, Val Kilmer is returning to the silver screen. A generative AI version of Kilmer will lead the noir thriller As Deep as the Grave. This isn't just a cameo or a deepfake, it's a full lead performance sanctioned by his estate. They've used decades of his filmography to train a model that captures his unique voice. This marks a massive ethical turning point for Hollywood. What does immortality mean? Want to get paid to be mean? A startup called Memvid is hiring a professional AI bully. They're paying $800 a day just to have someone sit and find ways to break a chatbot. It's a genius marketing move, but it highlights a huge problem. AI still forgets things. Speaking of new tools, Udemy just previewed Altus, an agentic AI that builds training paths. And for creators, Norton's new Revamp tool turns raw thoughts into high-authority posts. It helps you structure your social posts while keeping your own authentic voice intact. We are moving from AI that chats to AI that acts. The pace is accelerating rapidly. Whether it's OpenAI owning the stack or Meta trading workers for servers, the world is changing. What do you think about Val Kilmer's AI return? Is it a tribute or a step too far? Let me know in the comments and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.